Well, hello. It's Dr. August Dunning, and usually I do these cute little beach walks, but today I thought I'd just kind of sit down and have a little discussion. Besides, there's too many fishermen, there's too many people on the beach, so I think we'll just sit down and have a little talk. So here's the deal. This is for all the new people considering dry fasting. What you're going to find is dry fasting is a lot like any kind of therapy, because this was a therapy developed in Russia for intractable illnesses that were not responding to any kind of medical interventions. And it worked every time, and that's the cool thing about it. If you think sleep is just sleep, it's also therapy, because that's when you heal. That's when all the stuff goes on to fix the things that happen during the day, so you can start the day fresh. But like any therapy, you need a therapeutic dose. While you sleep, you don't drink and you don't eat. And because of that, you're dry fasting. The body naturally dry fasts every single night. Now, if you get up and don't drink and don't eat, you stay in the metabolic state of sleeping for an extended period of time. And some really wonderful things happen when you do that. I just completed my first 5-day dry fast with my daughter's first dry fast out in California last year. And what she was amazed with was all the aches and pains she used to have, she didn't have anymore. People think that aging is just filled with pain, that's just part of the deal, but it's not part of the deal. It's if you don't know how to take care of yourself, you're going to hurt more and more and more. Dry fasting is really interesting in that respect, because when you don't eat or don't drink for 5 days or 7 days, the Russians do 11 days, but that's for like really heavy illnesses like the big C word, you know? But if you just don't eat or drink for 4 to 5 days, you do all kinds of wonderful things you can't do any other way. A lot of the problems that occur with us is from eating. So by consuming something to try to fix yourself that caused the problem in the first place, it's just not very logical. So what dry fasting does, it puts you in a state of autophagy for like an extended period of time. It takes a couple of days to burn through your glycogen in your muscle and liver, and you'll run out of energy, and the brain will get headaches, and you'll feel a little sore and so forth, and achy, but that's because you've run out of sugar. And when that happens, your body is instructed in the hypothalamus to turn on fat metabolism. And as soon as your fat starts getting digested back into, yeah, there's a helicopter, or an alien spacecraft, no, back into glycerol and triglycerides, which is what fat is. The glycerol makes plasma glucose for your brain and blood, and the free fatty acids go into your mitochondria to make energy and water. A lot of people say, well, if you don't drink water for 3 days, you're going to die. Well, that's not true, and you're convinced to do that because Pepsi-Cola decided to start bottling water back in the 70s and got the FDA to go along with this idea that you need more water, and the whole fear tactic of not drinking every 3 days, if you're going to die, has been ingrained very heavily. We have a lot of that. I talk about it in my couple of my next books, one on manifesting, where self-awareness is the key. And when you become self-aware and you recognize all these bad programs and bad patterns that have been imprinted in you, you start being free in your mind, and that's very important too, because that's what happens with a dry fast. When you do a dry fast, it frees your mind, because it proves to your mind that what you knew, not what you were convinced, was correct. That you can be just fine, and life is great, and you have control over it. And that's probably the greatest thing about dry fasting. When you're done, you recognize that, well, I didn't do anything, but I did everything. I didn't do anything, but everything got fixed. And a lot of things occur after a dry fast you wouldn't expect. One of which is the fact that you stop eating a lot of crappy foods, because you've actually eliminated the parasites that stimulate you to find that food for them. So a lot of the stuff, a lot of the sugary baking stuff and that jazz sort of falls to the wayside. because you've also gotten rid of a lot of chemicals and a lot of stored, sequestered, dangerous chemicals. Those are no longer affecting you. Because every day when you use your muscles and you use energy, your body draws from glucose, if it's available, or fat, and fat is where the tissue is storing these dangerous toxins, and you're getting rid of that fat tissue during the dry fast. You'll lose 5 to 18 pounds on a dry fast, a 5 or 7 day. And fat, it's fat weight, not just water weight. You'll gain back 3 or 4 pounds in water weight at the end of it, but the fat is gone. You'll be trimmer, you'll be slimmer, and you won't be addicted to certain foods. If you're considering dry fasting, you can look below at some of my videos and see things that I've discussed, and probably I answer a lot of questions you may have about it. But if you're considering doing a dry fast, start slow. Do it a couple of days of not eating or drinking. Prove to yourself you can do it. Extend that as you feel more confident. And eventually you'll get to the point where you can do perform a correct dry fast of at least 5 days to get all the benefits. All the regeneration of your stem cells systemically, not just one type, but every niche. You get rid of your parasites, you get rid of your toxins, you fill yourself full of living water. What living water is the water your body naturally makes while it makes ATP. And if you have copper, the hydrogen peroxide and the superoxide molecules are changed into water and oxygen in your cells, and it flushes the cells out with living water. It's perfect water, it's pure water. It's water metabolically created inside of you. Your urine output will stay the same, so you got to have the water coming from someplace, and that's where it's coming from. If you have any fears about dry fasting, try one. Get my book, The Phoenix Protocol, Dry Fasting for Rapid Healing and Radical Life Extension, because it does stimulate your stem cells to produce a brand new bunch of cells, so it does extend your life. The Russian doctors say if you do one dry fast, it may extend your life 15 to 20 years. It'll certainly extend your health span that long, because when you get rid of the toxins, you get rid of the debris, you get rid of the parasites, you get rid of the problems, you get rid of the aches and pains, you're free. Your mind is free. And that's my objective on this channel, is to free your mind. Get unhooked from the addictive aspects of this nutty society and realize what a wonderful world you're in. You know, it's like what Oddball said in Kelly's Heroes. Why can't you just dig on how beautiful it is there, man? Stop with all the negative waves. Well, he's right. The negativity comes from within and what you're convinced to be negative about. Trust me, after you do a dry fast, you'll feel completely different about life on this planet. My name is Dr. August Dunning, and I'm here to help. Have a great day and try some dry fasting. See you later.
Yes?
We have a message. Can you remind people to subscribe, please, sir?
What now?
Please.
Oh, very well.